Okay, here's my latest items arrived. Today's Saturday, I ordered it on Thursday and they told me to get here next Tuesday after the bank holiday. It didn't, it got here today but caught me by surprise. So I just been to collect it from the post office and a bit out of breath because I sprinted home obviously. So this looks like it's something highly dangerous. I know why it's got that on. So what's in here? Well, you may recall my last, well not last, one of my last ones was unboxing that and something else. So what's in here? Well, it might be a radio, might it? Let's just pause there. Right, I needed two hands there. I had to rip that and it was quite stubborn. So there we are, there's a small box inside. Made in China, upside down. The right way up, there we go. Made in China, blah blah blah. Just a minute. And what we got? Da da da. Yes, I weakened. I got the XHDATA D808. May need to compare with that and the rest of the radios. I thought, well, I should get this for my collection. Some people rave about it, other people don't. I'm a bit on the fence. I know the pros and cons, but I bought it anyway because it was the lesser of the evils. So I think we've got that in focus. There are all the many features. Now this interests me, this one here, RDS, because I'm mainly interested in FM. That one has very good FM, good selectivity and sensitivity, but no RDS. This one's got less in way of sensitivity and selectivity, but it does have RDS. So there we go. It's also got SSB, which I've seen some videos on YouTube, and the SSB is very good. On my other radios, not that one, other radios, it's quite fiddly to do SSB, so another reason for getting this. Right, so let's just pause again. Right, so there's the back, or the front back, and the list of the features. There we are. And great. So, well, there's another box inside this box. I'm probably going to need two hands again. Yep, oh. Right, so inside that box there was another box. How do we open this one? Probably this way around. There we are. So what we've got the unit itself in bubble wrap. Got a couple of cables. Micro USB to normal USB. That's for charging. A plug-in aerial. A little booklet. English, German, French, Spanish, Italian. So that's useful. And it's got a little carrying case. Now there is a rival to this one. Well, I don't know if that's the genuine one and this is a clone or whatever, but the other one is the Digitech AR1780 and it doesn't come with this. Now this comes with a rechargeable battery and the Digitech comes with, well, doesn't come with, you can put AA batteries in. So performance is similar. Right, so trying to do this one-handed, and so, oh, it's well wrapped, so I'll give it that. Bubble wrap. And this one. Trying to do this one-handed. There we go. So there's the unit itself. So I'll just put it next to that one amongst all the clutter. Now this is interesting. This is another reason I bought this, was that all the wave bands it covers, the external aerial works on all of them. That one only works on FM and shortwave, the external aerial socket, which is around there somewhere. There's the other side. There's the back, get that in focus. Right, so let's just stop there. Now I don't know if the battery's charged, but we'll try it out. I'd literally just open this as you saw. Nope, it doesn't switch on. Just have to investigate that. Okay, I discovered the problem. This little bit of tape was protecting the terminal of the battery so it doesn't discharge when it's in transit. So that's all it was. So this is the infamous 18650 rechargeable battery, 2000 milliamp hours. So put that in. Then the aerial. There's BBC Radio 2. There we go. I don't know if that's showing up on the camera. Probably not. So that's working.
Pink, ovoga tjedna pada za jedno mjesto, ona je 6. Peto mjesto službene radijske sastav koji se ponovno...
Egy kisebb magyar kormánydelegációval.
Not true information broadcast. Anna is your link at 0720 170 degrees 5 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud scattered 3,000 feet. 90.36 degrees. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud 3,000 feet. 24,000 feet.
275 452. What's 3070 down there? Traffic flight level 11. 8 Farming 150, road 100.
Events may be moving rapidly, but many of my friends remain stuck in a state of permanent gloom. A dark cloud hangs over them, of that diffuse coalition of people in rich countries who felt too often unheard in the past 30 years of rapid change and domination by economic liberalism. And
this up in Headcorn Airfield, about half a mile from the airfield where we were heading. The wind was very strong. There were literally tigers in open cages, but we managed to